This turmeric latte is not only eye-catching, but it should also help boost your immunity. It's loaded with whole turmeric, whole ginger, and powerhouse of spices like cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. So let's get brewing, and the full recipe is always linked down below. With that, the main flavoring here, besides the tea of course, is that turmeric root and the ginger root. Turmeric is known as the golden spice. It's a plant in the ginger family and is native to Southeast Asia, mostly in India. We all know haldi or turmeric is great for cooking, but India has used it for medicinal purposes for as long as 4,500 years. Curcumin, I guess that's the pronunciation, is the main compound that is in turmeric that holds all of the spice's health benefits. I didn't even know that a turmeric root was hard like a ginger. I always thought it would just crumble, and I'm familiar with it because I've seen it, because my grandpa would have some of it every time in the morning before breakfast. We are going to crush that turmeric root and ginger up very lightly to help release some of their flavoring into the water for this tea. So add this all to the water, bring it all to a boil, and let that water change its color as it gets flavored, about 4 to 5 minutes. Then you can add in your black tea leaves and add in the cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. You can lightly smash the cardamom and let the tea boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Add any sweetener that you prefer and taste to see if it's sweet enough. Finally, add in the milk and ground turmeric and heat this until the milk starts to steam up. And right at the moment it starts to simmer, bring it off the heat. Go ahead and pour that up in your teapot, rinse off that pan, and by the way, my teapot happens to have a sieve, so in case yours doesn't, make sure you have a sieve handy, and then bring the rest of your milk up to a simmer. We need to now froth this milk up so we can make our latte. Get your milk frothy just like this and set that aside. Then go ahead and pour away as you get ready to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and as you do that, pour in some of that steamed milk as well, and then we'll use a spoon to just top it off with that froth. And with that, you have a cup full of beautiful healthy tea with all the benefits that come from turmeric, ginger, and the powerhouse of spices that we used in here. So go ahead and share this video with a tea lover. And if turmeric is your thing, then go ahead and check out something you can eat turmeric with, which is my Indian turmeric rice. See you all in the next one. Bye all.